Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Evernote Web Clipper in Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. This is where you'll find all available extensions for Chrome, including productivity tools like Evernote Web Clipper. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type Evernote Web Clipper. As you start typing, you'll notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. From these suggestions, click on Evernote Web Clipper to go directly to its extension page. Now you'll be taken to the Evernote Web Clipper extension page, where you can see details about what it does and user reviews. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on it to begin the installation process. This button initiates the download and installation of the extension onto your browser. After clicking Add to Chrome, a confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your browser window. This is Chrome's way of making sure you really want to install this extension and informing you about the permissions it needs. Click Add Extension in this pop-up to confirm and proceed with the installation. Chrome will now download and install Evernote Web Clipper automatically. At this point, you'll need to wait a moment for the installation to finish. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the time can vary depending on your internet connection speed. The browser is adding the extension to your toolbar and setting it up so it's ready to use right away. Once the installation is complete, look for the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. It looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. A drop-down menu will appear showing all the extensions you currently have installed in Chrome. Find Evernote Web Clipper in this list. If you want quick access to it without opening the extensions menu every time, you can pin it to your toolbar. Simply click the pin icon right beside Evernote Web Clipper. This will add the extensions icon directly to your Chrome toolbar, making it easily accessible whenever you need to clip web content to your Evernote account. And that's it! You've successfully installed Evernote Web Clipper in your Google Chrome browser, and it's now ready to help you save web pages, articles, and screenshots directly to Evernote. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.